Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to see about Saitama Inu update, and also we're going to see about Polygon Matic, because Polygon is making some big moves. There's a lot of money to be made there. I almost made 100% in the last couple of weeks. So if we can make 100% in 2 weeks, it's something great. It doesn't matter which coin it is, and at this time it's Polygon, which is a great stable coin. If you go to the coin market cap, it's in the top 15 position. Okay, the main thing is today we're going to see about Saitama Inu. There's a massive catalyst for Saitama Inu. Guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research. This advice is only for the educational purposes. It's not an advice for you to buy, hold, or sell. Okay, I have to tell this in every video. That's my duty. So if you see here in the Saitama Guru official Twitter page, it's coming from Saitama Meikei. So guys, there's a new catalyst in India. Why? Because India is the largest population in the world next to China. So, and we know for a fact that people in India are going crazy about Shiba Inu. A lot of people, trading in Shiba Inu, a lot of money flowing in. So with country like that, with massive population, a lot of things can happen. And it's pretty clear that, Saitama team is hitting India pretty hard with the ads and advertisement. That's what you can see here. As you can see in this tweet, this is from, I think, from South India, Pondicherry. They are hitting the kind of mall where people can see Saitama Mask app release there. So they're trying to hit the global market, guys. And then the main catalyst is a new exchange, is getting listed for Saitama, So from Jan to 1, 2022, which is like literally on the New Year's Day, a week away, the exchange is called Coin Bazaar. So in Coin Bazaar in India, people can buy and sell Saitama, which obviously they're trying to increase the footprint. Now it's not very easy to buy Saitama without the Saitama Mask app, which we will see that in the upcoming days, maybe within a week or two, maybe all max month. But then a lot of exchanges, for example, we know Coinbase has not listed Saitama yet, and Binance has not listed yet. What happens? Any coins hits this network, any decent coins, it's Binance and Coinbase. We know for a fact the price will increase minimum 40 to 50%. But Saitama, it's kind of has a major trending popularity among the meme coin industry. So they think Saitama Mask app is going to be great, and on Saitama coin itself is going to be next Shiba Inu, because we know Shiba Inu is kind of a king of meme coin. This is not. I don't think it's a meme coin anymore. They have great stability, and then they have great utility. So Saitama Inu could be a next Shiba Inu coin. That's what people believe. I'm not saying. I'm not saying that I believe that Saitama Inu is the next. There could be a lot of coins, guys, but this is kind of very similar. If you see the price action of Saitama Inu in the last 1 month, it's gone up. That's because people believe in the coin, plus the app is getting released, right? And if you see in the terms of holders, it's crazy. We had only 50,000 holders before what? It's not like 10 years ago or maybe 1 year ago. Literally 3 months ago, guys. So 3 months ago, if you zoom out here, this is obviously the coin market cap website. So if you go here on October 6th, you see almost 50,000 holders, maybe less than 50,000 holders. Right now, December 26th, or maybe 27, right? 3 months out, if you zoom out, 300,000 holders. We're almost there. It's only 9,000 left. If you can see, the exact total address is 290,141.7. It's going to take maybe a week or two to hit that benchmark. But what I'm trying to say is, think about the next 3 months. Think about the next 3 years. How many holders will come? And think about the price action. So if you see the price here, it's almost 0.704948. If we can burn 2 3 zeros, then it's a huge profit. I mean, if you want to wait until the coin hits $1, that's an entirely different story. But what I'm trying to say is, there's a lot of money to be made in Saitama in the coin. Plus, the first listing is coming from India. Well, in India, I think this is the first listing. We will see a lot of big exchanges in Europe, in Asia Pacific, and also in countries like Australia. It is going to open up, and then obviously people are going to buy more. And apart from that, William Russ is keeping it very transparent, and I think he's working on smart contracts this week. He is keeping it very clear. He also informed that the Saita Mask app is yet to be released, because we know for a fact the CertiK audit has been completed. So it's been official, guys. It's been completed on Christmas Day. He wished to Merry Christmas with amazing news. where the Saitama holders, can get the best Christmas out of it. So I don't think the Saitama Mask app is yet to be released yet. I mean, because I think there are a lot of things to be done before the app is released. A lot of security concerns are there. So I wouldn't personally go and download the app and do things unless wait for some days and weeks. And if you do so, you have to go to the official Saitama website and then download it there, right? So I think there's a lot of money to be made in Saitama. Let's move on to Polygon, guys. Polygon is on a bull run. Okay, so if you go here, let's go to the coin market cap, and if you see the 14th position here, Polygon is 279. You believe me or not, in the last 2 weeks, last 2 to 3 weeks, it was 144. I bought it for 144. Now it's almost 279, and it's touched almost 292. So it's almost 100% increase. If you put like $1,000, $2,000, $10,000 would have changed to $20,000. Polygon is a very stable coin, running on Ethereum network. The thing is, they have recently acquired a company called ZK. It's the great thing. So Polygon Matic latest acquisition means a lot because they acquired ZK protocol developer MIR for just $400. And you see their market cap is around almost 19 billion now. With this 19 billion, they are acquiring a lot of small companies which can do massive things. So this ZK protocol, it enables actually the transaction authenticators to validate the secured encrypted data without even accessing the data. That's amazing, because we know, and it does that in a very quick time, guys, within 170 millisecond. So that's very fast. So with this fastest proof generating capacity, if it's available in the crypto world, and that's amazing. And we know for a fact that in finance, healthcare, and technology industry, data is very important. And then Polygon, it's a Indian based Polygon is coin, but then with a lot of potential, guys. So I've made my 100%. So if you want to do 100%, please do look into this coin. I think it's a pretty good coin with a lot of utilities, and there's a lot of acquisition to come. This is not the first acquisition. They recently acquired around for 190 million, I guess. It's called Herms in August. So within 6 months, they made another acquisition. So yeah, so this coin is a great coin. I believe in this coin. Hopefully you can make some money here as well. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and have a nice day. Take care. Please do leave me in the comment whether have you bought any Saitama coin very recently, and what do you think about the price action in the next couple of weeks. And also do let me know about the Polygon coin. Do you believe that Polygon is going to make some money? Thank you so much for watching. Take care.